we were planning to go to Condamine today and do the river crossings, but it's still closed. There's not enough information on the council website. But we'll be back again. We'll definitely come back. We'll do it next time. We went for a walk down there with the dogs. It was good. Hey, so we're just outside of Killarney. We've just stopped at a park, have some lunch, let the dogs run around. There's some cows just back there. Then we're gonna head to our campsite, set up, ready for the night, and we'll do some stuff when they're there.
Just letting the dogs run around and eating some food, and then we're gonna head to the campsite, which is near Elbow Valley, but we'll have to show you guys around.
So we arrived, we let the dogs have a swim, and we're all set up now. We're going to take you for a spin around the campsite. Got our swag set up. We also got the dogs' tent set up. We got the awning, and we got the gazebo. We're all set up, ready to cook up and have a swim. So we're out here chilling. We're gonna go for a walk. There's two other dogs here, and they're loving it.
So we're just cooking some dinner. We're having some chicken quesadillas.
Yeah. So we woke up, beautiful night's sleep, beautiful stars out last night. Ash is cooking the brekkie.
So we're all packed up now. We pack up pretty small with everything. Most of it's on the roof at the moment because we have the dogs in the back of the cab, and we just pad the fridge and pop a bed down so everything's covered for them and they're comfy. We're heading to the next campsite, which should have some four-wheel drive tracks and I think a waterfall, so we're pretty keen.
Remember guys, leave every campsite cleaner than you found it. Still some firewood in the fire pit for the next person.
So we've just pulled up for some lunch at Misty Mountains, which is where we're staying tonight. I think there's some 4-wheel drive tracks, so we're going to message the owners and see if we can work out where they are. But as for now,
just park the Jeep up. The dogs are just having a swim. We're over there somewhere. They're having a ball. So we just stopped at this lake. To let the dogs have a swim. There's this awesome cabin. Hoping it won't storm tonight. One of our last stops for the day. We came up here to Scott's Lookout. The puppies are wet after a swim. They're all ready for bed, very tired. So we just stopped up here at this beautiful lookout with the dogs. Such an amazing lookout. Ash is getting some photos. Oh, it's so beautiful up here. So on those other tracks we did earlier that we're going to do more of tomorrow, we got a little bit muddy.
so this is the map that the owner gave us, and we're staying over here, and you have to come out onto the main road and all through here, and basically we're heading to the waterfall, which is up here. But I think it's fine. I think everyone that's having problems is on road tires, because we haven't had any issues yet.
So we just came down to this beautiful waterfall. It was a fucking hike, but we made it. This is why we have a four-wheel drive. Oh shit. So we finished up the waterfalls this morning and we packed up camp and we cleaned up after ourselves and left some firewood for the next person. We're heading home now. So we're in the Queensland border crossing. How long have we been in?
Too long.
We got our passes ready to go.